Hey guys, it's Robin. Welcome back to the nest. This is like the third video that I've made today, but chances are this is going to be the very first video that you all see. So, I apologize that I sound like B. Arthur or Carol Channing, and I apologize for being away for a while. I've been sick, obviously. Not COVID, but it's allergies. It happens every year. I wound up getting bronchitis and laryngitis. This year, I felt better. I'd feel better for a couple of days. I would try to get my work done or something done, and I'd get sick again, just because of all the pollen that's outside. But I have been doing stuff when I do feel well. The one thing that I haven't been doing a lot of, though, is watching a lot of videos or checking my email the way that I should be checking. But I apologize for that. I have seen where people's been asking about me. You've tried contacting me. Thank you so much for that. I so appreciate it. I did try to respond to some of them. I'm still looking through my email to try to find more. But anyway, I'm okay. I'm just struggling this year. For some reason, this stuff is lingering longer, and I can't kick it in the behind. It needs to move on. I don't have time for this. So, these projects I made a very long time ago. And I say very long time ago. It's probably, 2 months ago or something. It was back before everything started shutting down. It's when I started working on some of it. Or before I had to go ahead and self-quarantine myself. I'll say that. Which was about 3 weeks prior to Tennessee shutting down. But anyway, this is one of them. This is a part of the Bo Bunny collection. And I'll show you all of it in a minute, but I do not remember exactly which Bo Bunny collection it is. I think maybe Butterfly Kisses, maybe, or Butterfly something. But this is what I put on the front of it. This is one of those little Dollar Tree butterflies. Some grosgrain paper up here at the top. Goes around like this. Like this. So I was looking for another box that I could put some embellishments in. And this lady, if I'm not mistaken, she's from over in the UK. God, it's been a while. I'm going to have to try to look it up because she did a tutorial. But after I got this made, I realized that what I needed to send would not fit in this box. But I'm going to show it to you anyway because I can use it for someone else, you know. So this slides off. It's like a belly band. Like that. And it slides off. And so do you all remember the little 6-compartment embellishment purses that I made? And I made 2 of them. And the last one I sent it to Linda, who's Linda's Doodaws and Poopaws. Hi, Linda. Well, this is a 4-compartment. And so that's what it looks like there. And they're just square like that. And then this, there's Velcro here. And so it opens like this. And then you have all these little places. And this is actually, these are, the little squares are larger than, hang on. I'm so sorry. Are larger than the 6-compartment one that I had made. the little purse before. They're larger, but they still weren't large enough. So I finished it and I thought, well, pooey, that isn't going to work. And it was supposed to go to someone here on YouTube. And then I haven't been back to the post office and I haven't finished making everything for it. So when they get it, it will be a surprise. But I've been collecting things for and to send to this one specific person. And didn't get a chance. But I will. I will. So I'm going to set that aside and show you what I did make. Now, in between me realizing that this wasn't going to work, Tmika with Scrapdaworld, hi Tmika, she came up with another paper purse, which is, this was number 2 in the series. And it's the Satchel purse. Well, here is my version of her Satchel purse that she did. I believe my handle may be just a tad bit shorter because I liked it a little bit better. I thought, would that look cute? Let's see. Would that look cute hanging on a doorknob of your craft room or something, or just hanging on the wall? I thought it was so cute. I thought, okay, we're going to make this one, and I believe this one's going to be big enough. So I will link the video for this tutorial in the description box below for you all to follow along. This too comes from Bo Bunny Paper Pad, and I think it may very well be this same paper pad, Butterfly Kisses. But this is more peachy than pink. Well, it is peach rather than pink, and I used one of my little flower rosettes, or not rosettes, just the little cloth flower, and a gem in the center of it. And then this is a piece of the ephemera chipboard from this collection, and I put it on top of cut apart from the collection. And then I'll show you more about that here in just a second. On the top, I used some of this ruffle trim that I love so much that I bought at Hobby Lobby before our world changed. And on the sides, I used some of the brads to hold my handle on from the same collection. And then on the back, I used another one of the little flowers. And this is magnetized, and it has a little pocket in the back here. Now, if I remember correctly, I don't think Tmika added this pocket in the back, but I wanted it, so I added it. You know, Tmika has all these wonderful patterns and stuff, but she really she really encourages you to take her pattern then make it your own. You know, all of us craft differently. All of us have our own style. We can make the exact same project and no two of them are going to be exactly alike. And that's the great thing about art. You know, that's what's wonderful about it. So this is my version using this paper collection and this ephemera and stuff. You know, I could make this one again, and I can guarantee you that even if I use the same papers and stuff, they wouldn't be identical, because I'd say, oh, I think I'm going to do this here or this different, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, yeah, so there that is. So I put a magnet down here in mine. I believe that Tmika used Velcro down here as well. And then I used a little piece of ribbon that matched this collection. It didn't go with the collection, but it's some that I had in my stash that matched the colors. So I used it as my pull tab and used a magnet here. But this is a little pocket in the front. And no, I don't have anything done in there yet. I have to look. I'm telling you, it's been a while since I've made this. So that just closes there. This is supposed to, you know, fall back like that so it's out of your way. And then here, I did use Velcro. And here that trim continues on. And I did line the inside. And so I was wanting to put, Tmika made these for embellishment boxes and cute little ways that you can send embellishments and little goodies to your friends. So I'll show you some of the things that I've made so far. They're not glued down on this piece of paper, but they I'm going to package them up and I'll send them in this, but they're made with this paper line. So here they are. I've just made some paper flowers and used some of my little tchotchkes that I had for centers, inked the edges. I even embossed the petals after I punched them out to make the flowers. Here's a little different one, and I've creased them and folded them. Hopefully, let's see. Yeah, there you go. You can get a better look that way. And made a little, just one little leaf there. And then these are little organza flowers with little pearls in the center. And so my plan is to fill this up with handmade as well as store-bought embellishments to send to fellow crafter. So that is what I've made. And Tmika, she wanted everyone to post their purses and let her know that you know, that we've posted a video of our project. I just want to thank you for these tutorials. They're so much fun, and I don't have to sit and think. You know, I don't have to sit and think myself to come up with the numbers and stuff. And that's so much fun. Although sometimes, you know, like one project that y'all will see coming up soon. Sometimes I just like to, you know, just go all hairy-carry and come up and do my own thing. But sometimes you just need no-brainer kind of things. Let somebody else do the math for you. And Tmika has done that in this one. Her tutorials are very clear. She's a wonderful teacher, and I think that if you try one of these, you'll really enjoy it. I don't know how many she's come up with since then. I know one for sure, but I haven't been keeping up with everything. Needless to say, I am behind. Okay, so thank you very, very much. And thanks for watching, everyone. I'd appreciate a thumbs up if you can understand anything that I've said, or if you're enjoying seeing these projects and all. There's more videos to come. I am going to schedule them, and I have to schedule them to come up to give mail on a couple of them time to get to the recipient before they see it, possibly see it on my YouTube channel. But thanks you guys for sticking around. I still have more to show you. I have done more with the baby shower, although it's going to have to be viral now. But I'll come back and talk to you about that in a minute. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Thanks.